Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to install roller window blinds. These blinds are a fantastic way to add privacy and control light in your home, and they're surprisingly easy to install. With just a few tools and a little time, you can have them up in no time. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather your materials and tools. Roller blinds, mounting brackets, included with blinds. Screws, included with blinds. Wall anchors, if mounting on drywall. Measuring tape, pencil level, drill with appropriate bits. Screwdriver step ladder. Step 2. Measure your window. Before you start, measure the width of your window to ensure your roller blinds will fit perfectly. Measure at the top, middle, and bottom to account for any variations. Use the smallest measurement to determine the width of your blinds. Step 3. Mark the mounting points. Hold the blinds up to the window to determine where you want to mount the brackets. Use a pencil to mark the spots for the brackets on the window frame or wall. Step 4. Install the mounting brackets. Drill pilot holes at the marked points. If mounting on drywall, insert wall anchors into the holes. Then, attach the brackets using the screws provided. Ensure the brackets are secure and level. Step 5. Attach the roller blinds. Once the brackets are securely installed, it's time to attach the roller blinds. Insert the ends of the roller blind into the brackets, making sure they click into place. Step 6. Test the blinds. Pull the chain or cord to test the blinds. Ensure they roll up and down smoothly and stop at the desired height. Make any necessary adjustments to the tension or alignment. Secure the chain or cord to the wall using the provided safety mechanism. This prevents the chain from dangling freely and posing a hazard. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to install roller window blinds. With just a few simple steps, you can enhance the look of your windows and control the light in your space. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more DIY projects and home improvement tips. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating.